Welcome to this tutorial on how to see Level 2 data on Thinkorswim. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to access and interpret Level 2 data on the Thinkorswim platform. Level 2 data provides you with a deeper view of the market, showing you the bids and asks for a particular stock. Let's get started. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and log into your account. Once you are in, navigate to the Trading tab. Here, you will find various options for market data. To access Level 2 data, locate the Active Trader section. You can either look for it on your left-hand sidebar or find it under the Market Watch tab. Next, you want to add the stock for which you want to view Level 2 data. In the Active Trader section, enter the stock symbol in the designated box. Once you have entered the symbol, the Level 2 quotes will populate below. You will see the current bids, asks, and different sizes of orders at various price levels on both sides. This information is crucial in understanding market sentiment and order flow. Finally, take the time to analyze the data. The best way to make use of Level 2 data is to observe the order book for trends. Pay attention to the size of bids and asks. Larger orders can indicate strong support or resistance levels. Experiment with different stocks and monitor how Level 2 data can aid your trading strategy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on using Thinkorswim effectively.